So I wanted to see when this hurricane hit land what they were going to do. You see the beams, the lines, the signaling. They're hitting this hurricane with the Doppler radar, intensifying it. Why would they intensify a hurricane? Good question. Let's look at the infrared on this, because it's very important. Black is the highest temperature. And notice as the hurricane hits the land, it gets blacker. It's heating up over land. What do we know about hurricanes in warm water, or hurricanes over land? So let's compare this hurricane to the other one. So this one's up a little bit higher north. It's in colder water. No black, no high temperature. This one's over land and it's getting warmer. So this goes completely against everything we know about hurricanes. It's not being heated by the water. This one's, the reason why I didn't do this hurricane's not being affected at all. In fact, I can turn on the overlay. I can put the radar over the infrared and you can see this hurricane is being affected by Doppler and X-rad, and this hurricane is not. Originally I thought they would pull this one over Florida, but they manufactured this one and pulled it up into Florida. I saved the file. I was going to do a video on it. Let's see. Where were we yesterday? Right here. Let's go 2 days ago. Right there. This is where it started. So they've been hitting this and heating it the whole way. Get your I formation. And it's hitting Florida and it's still being heated. So let's see what they do today, see where this goes today. It's over land now, but it's still being heated, so I don't know what their plans are. A little late on this video, but I wanted to see what they were going to do. I wasn't sure, because there were two hurricanes, which one they would go after. And this is obviously the one. They manufactured this one. They ignored the other one. It was going too far north. Originally, the heating of this hurricane was to pull that hurricane more west, but then they just developed this storm. So they're developing storms, running it into Florida right now. But you see that people are going to perish in this storm. So this is an attack on the American citizens by the people running the weather stations. We are under attack. They're closing down the food supply. They're running storms. We're creating World War III. They're basically doing everything to destroy America. That's the bottom line.
Hurricane Idalia arrived in Florida, we saw residents being told to hurry up, fill up their gas tanks before it arrives. Then they alerted everyone that the gas was contaminated with diesel fuel. Diesel fuel in a regular engine means those vehicle engines are suddenly going to die as the people try to escape and flee the hurricanes.
In Maui, no water, no power, no sirens. It's just weird. It doesn't make sense. Then now, British Columbia, same thing, not letting them go in, not letting them go out, not letting people volunteer to help. They also don't have water. It's a mess. And now we have Florida. An accident? So they tell